Hi Angel, how are you?
I'm fine, Professor. How about you?
I'm perfect. I'm super happy today because I'm talking to you.
Okay, you can talk to me.
Alright, what's your name actually?
My name is Caroline.
It's really a hard name.
Yes.
Can you spell for me, please?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
It's Caroline. Caroline.
Okay, Caroline.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Alright. What's your school's name?
My school name is Beyond Lofty School and College.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Manduban.
It's a beautiful place, right?
Yes. My cousins.
Okay. So, how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Nice. So, what do you do for fun?
I do for fun with my toys.
Oh, do you have toys?
Yes.
How many?
A lot of.
Okay. So, what kind of hobbies do you have?
My hobby is crafting and drawing.
I love drawing too. What's your future plan, Ma?
My future plan, I want to be a scientist.
Good job. I appreciate that. So, do you like cartoon?
Yes.
Okay. What's your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry.
I love that. I always like Jerry. Do you like Jerry?
Yes.
And Tom?
Yes.
Do you like Tom?
Yes.
Okay. He's so funny, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
Okay. Will you give me a rose?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Next class, right? Okay. So, who is your favorite person?
My favorite person is Russell, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Thank you.